Hey, what's up guys, I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to another episode of Taste of Asian Food. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare braised pork ribs by using a multi-cooker. Now in the past, I have already uploaded a similar recipe to this channel, but it is different today because this multi-cooker can be used to saute, to pressure cook, and to thicken the sauce. It's going to save you a lot of time, especially if you are working alone in the kitchen for a big family or for a special occasion. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Over here we have about 1 kg of pork ribs already cleaned with water, and my butcher has already helped me to cut it into pieces. Bring a pot of water to a boil and then add a few slices of ginger and also about 2 stalks of green onions cut into sections, plus some Chinese wine, some rice wine. And then I will blanch the pork ribs for about 2 to 3 minutes. The purpose of this step is to remove the porky smell, which can be unfavorable to certain people, and at the same time also remove some debris and some blood, some impurity from the pork ribs. So after 2 to 3 minutes, I'll then remove it and drain. Besides the pork, I have also prepared some other ingredients. I have some light soy sauce. This is Chinese wine, Chinese 5-spice powder, ground white pepper, and some rock sugar. If you don't have rock sugar, you can use any other types of sugar that you like. Some extra green onions, some more ginger slices, and then I have some dry spices over here: cinnamon bark, cloves, and star anise. And I nearly forget, I need some salt because it is not salty enough, just depends on the light soy sauce. Okay, this is the multi-cooker, and let me put some oil into it. And then I'll switch on the saute mode of the multi-cooker and change it to about 4 minutes and on it. Then I'll put the pork ribs inside and to fry it until the colors changed. It would take a little while. Now the multi-cooker acts like a pan on the stove. After searing the first side, now turn to the other side. You take a look at it. Okay, so it's pretty nice. Turn to the other side and sear the other side. I've seared both sides, and both sides now has already turned color. And then I remove these ribs and continue searing the second batch. The second batch of my pork rib has already changed color also. So now I'm going to put back the first batch into it. And we will now go into the second stage of our cooking, that is to pressure cooking it. Add some water. Plus all the ingredients that we have prepared. Give it a good mix. And then start the pressure cooking. Okay, after 30 minutes and after releasing the pressure, let's take a look. It's already very soft. Can you see that? It is nearly fall off the bones. So what I'm going to do now is to remove all the pork ribs and then thicken the sauce to become a thick gravy. And to do that, switch on the sauce thickening mode. It only takes a minute after I switch to this mode and it's already boiling. So I'll just wait for a minute or two and let it reduce a little further. At the same time, do a taste test. And I think I need to add a little bit of salt and some soy sauce. Okay. And lastly, I will make it thick by adding some cornstarch slurry by mixing a teaspoon of cornstarch with a tablespoon of cold water. And then I'll add the cornstarch slurry into the liquid slowly to thicken it. Now the consistency is already quite nice, so I can switch it off now. Serve with some vegetables and drizzle the sauce on top. And garnish with a bunch of green onions on top. The meat is so tender that it's virtually falling off the bone. That's how to make the traditional style Chinese pork ribs by using the traditional ingredients, but using a multi-cooker that can use it for sauteing, pressure cooking, and to thicken the sauce. And if you want to get the recipe, I've included it in the description below the video. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification, and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.